Dear Jen, like Gatsby said, I knew that when I kissed this girl, I would be forever wed to her. For me, it wasn't a kiss. It was our first love for Reese's, and from there I knew there was something special between us. Once we met, it was truly love at first sight. My heart skipped a beat, and I got that warm, bubbly feeling. I love you with all of my heart, and can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Love, Mike, AKA husband-to-be. I give you this ring as a sign that I choose you to be my beloved.
I give you my love. I give you my heart. I give you my hope.
I give you with joy the rest of the days of my life.
To delight in your body, to nourish your mind, to be at home with your spirit.
To know you, love you, hold you, and warm you, my companion, my beloved.
My highly honored person, I offer you as my husband.
I offer myself as your wife and choose you.
Today, tomorrow, and always.
I now pronounce you husband and wife, and may kiss your bride.
When two people have a child, they wish health, happiness, and a smooth ride through life. But as life would have it, there's always those bumps and bruises that you go through. And when they go through that, it affects the parent almost as much and sometimes more than it affects the child. However, converse to that, there's always good times, and tonight is one of those good times.
Somehow, Mike, with a little help from your mom, you found a stunning, cupcake-loving, marathon-running bride who lives a life full of color.
And actually, if it wasn't for me, they wouldn't be here today. Jen, I am so delighted you are in our family.
Let's raise the glass to this amazing couple and cheers to a lifetime of happiness.
And as the Italians would say, Jindan, which means 100 years.
Hit it. Just over a year later, the Ragnar she ran. Mike was at the finish line with the plan. Nervous as heck, he got down on gonna wrap this up because I need a drink now. Let's all go and celebrate them taking their vow. Let's toast to their love as husband and wife, to Michael and Jen for the rest of their lives.